Hello everyone, it's Adam here. I wanted to show you where to put an R1250 e-zpass on an R1250 GSA. So e-zapasses don't need line of sight, but they can't be behind metal. Glass is fine, plastic is fine. And so for this bike, here's what I recommend. Take a T25 one and unscrew your windscreen, drop that down. Take your same Torx 25, hit this one, this one, and that one. And then you'll be revealed, ta-da! Now, you may be able to hook this up without removing this bit here. The truth is, you really need to get this and put some good strength on it and make sure you get a good, this is a slightly curved piece of plastic. You don't want to break it. It's probably $200 from BMW. So, get your double-sided 3M tape, take your e-zpass, put it up there in an angle where it'll stick and really fasten in. I would actually even apply a little bit of heat using your heat gun to the back of the tape, and then stick it in there, and then you can reassemble this the way you put it on. That way your e-zpass is front and center, it won't be blocked by anything. Some people keep it in their pocket or on their shoulder or in their tank bag. It can be a little bit problematic on that way. Other one is putting it underneath your front beak, but again, it might fall off, you'll never know. This you can see while you're riding, so you kind of know if it comes loose ever. But this could fall off, and also there's a whole bunch of electronics here and wires that might also not be a great spot. So I would say this is the best spot, front and center, and short video for you guys. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.